Welcome back to the Chemistry of Life, where we explore the intricate world of healthcare, wellness, and its integration with chemistry. I'm your host Rudransh, and today we are with Dr. Atrey Garg, who is a senior consultant and surgeon specializing in advanced laparoscopic surgery and robotic surgery at Max Healthcare. Good evening, doctor. Could you tell
Hi,
us a little bit about yourself?
myself Dr. Atregar. I am a senior consultant at Max Group of Hospital, Delhi. I am specializes in laparoscopic surgery, robotic surgeries, and general surgeries.
Okay, now let's delve deeper into sanitization pre surgery.
Sanitization is a part for multiple part. First is your operating room
Okay.
where we are getting surgery done. That should be sterilized. For that we do fumigation with formaldehyde and all that. है ना? There are a special type of filters also HEPA, that they are called HEPA filter. They rotate the air continuously so the bacteria filters out. ठीक है. Second thing is our instrument. है ना? There are multiple methods to sterilize it. First is ethylene oxide gas, most commonly used in larger hospitals.
Okay.
है ना?
You most commonly use in what?
Larger hospitals.
Okay,
Ethylene
larger
oxide
hospitals.
gas.
I see.
है ना? It's a bit expensive. Its setup is expensive, so only large corporate hospitals can afford it.
Okay.
है ना? Some people use plasma. है ना? Some chemicals are Sidex. They are
Sidex.
Sidex.
Okay.
है ना?
Is it a brand?
है ना? Some instruments are autoclave. They are not literally like boiled.
Okay.
Specialized cookers, like they are like our pressure cookers.
Yeah.
They are different setting of pressure,
So you boil
temperature.
the instruments to
ठीक है.
sanitize.
हाँ.
Okay.
Next is patient.
Patient. Yeah.
For surgeon, we have to scrub our hands. ठीक है ना? With chlorhexidine solution or povidone iodine solution, we have to clean it from here to here.
Okay, your entire
है ना?
arms.
हाँ. Then we will put sterile gown, gloves. ठीक है. Next step is patient's body.
Okay.
हाँ. So generally, patient body sterilization done by scrubbing by betadine scrub. Betadine is povidone iodine.
Betadines. Yeah.
It's
Okay.
povidone iodine. ठीक है. We scrub with that. Then we use chlorhexidine solution. Then we dry it.
Okay.
This is the thing.
So you mentioned that you use formaldehyde gases.
Yeah.
I had done a podcast with my mother as well regarding cosmetics, where I had learned that formaldehydes can put you at a risk of cancer and they're like harmful for you.
Operating room sterilization is not a daily process.
Okay,
It's once a week
I see.
or as per required. ठीक
Okay.
है. The day we do sterilization of operation room for 24 hours, no surgery would be done in that.
I see. So they let it wear off
हाँ.
first. Okay.
Yes.
So no surgeons are harmed by this.
No, no, nothing.
Understood. And you had also mentioned betadine used for sterilization.
It's a common thing.
So I know that often when we get hurt, at least like what my family has been doing is we've been cleaning the wounds with betadine. Could you explain like further about how these medicines they act on our wounds and what other medicines are used for this?
Actually, these drugs don't act on our wounds. It's
Okay.
a misconception. ठीक
I
है.
see.
Iodine actually delay the wound healing.
Okay.
These drugs like povidone, iodine, chlorhexidine works on the bacteria. They kills the bacteria already existing on that place.
Okay.
है ना? If you get hurt in a dirty place, there would be bacteria and all that.
Okay.
Betadine will work on that bacteria.
Understood.
है ना? It won't help you in wound healing.
Okay.
For wound healing, they are different medicines.
I see.
इट्स अ कॉमन मिसकंसेप्शन क्योंकि बीटाडीन एक ऐसी चीज है बचपन से सब देख रहे हो कुछ भी हो बीटाडीन लगा लो एक्चुअली इट डिलेज द वुंड हीलिंग
Okay. So you would say it's arguably worse to use betadine.
नहीं नहीं इट्स नॉट यू हैव टू स्टरलाइज दैट
Okay, you have to sterilize it. But
you
if,
have to sterilize
if it is already sterile,
then no use of betadine
then you would prefer that you let it heal naturally.
हाँ let it heal naturally or why would you use silver iron components and
I see.
there are different things as per the need of
What are silver iron components?
लेटेस्ट उसमें यही है कि सिल्वर जो आयंस होते हैं बैक्टीरिया की जो सरफेस होता है उस पर चिपक के उसको बिल्कुल खत्म कर देते
Okay.
हैं तो दीज आर फास्ट एक्टिंग आपका इन्फेक्शन भी खत्म करता है और वुंड हीलिंग को भी प्रमोट करता है
Okay. And is this like a more expensive thing?
हाँ
because-
इट्स अ बिट एक्सपेंसिव
Okay. So
बट
is
नॉट सो मच बट 100-150 रुपए में ट्यूब आ जाती है, तो इतना भी महंगा नहीं.
It's not that expensive, but
It is
like,
affordable.
yeah.
We are other medicines also like soframycin, that is it's a cheap drug. We can use it. Normal saline, it's
So,
very cheap.
what does soframycin do exactly? Because what I know, like what I've been using it as personally, is if you have any wound, apply soframycin for sterilization. If you have a rash, apply soframycin
Hmm.
because it cools it down. So, what does it do exactly?
There are those two things. Soframycin active ingredient is fremicidin.
Okay.
Have you तुमने देखा होगा, ऊपर लिखा होता है, देखना
Yes,
नेक्स्ट
yes.
फ्रेमाइसिटिन. ठीक है, बैक्टीरियोस्टैटिक है.
Okay.
ये बैक्टीरिया को रोक के रखेगी, उसकी ग्रोथ को रोकेगी, उसको खत्म
I
करेगी.
see.
सेकंड थिंग, मॉइस्ट एनवायरनमेंट को बनाए रखती है सोफा.
Okay.
वो ज़रूरी होता है. कोई भी वुंड हीलिंग है, हमको मॉइस्ट एनवायरनमेंट चाहिए,
I see.
है ना. दैट्स व्हाई हाउ आवर इम्यून सेल्स वर्क.
Okay.
दे नीड मॉइस्चर. इफ
Understood.
इट्स वुड बी टोटली ड्राई, दे वोंट वर्क.
So, like, let's say there's a blood clot, like blood dries obviously when you get a wound. So, under that, it's moist for the cells to repair themselves
Yes,
quicker.
that's
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time, doctor. It was lovely talking to you. I learned a lot about surgery, sterilization, kidney stones, and it was a great chat overall.
thank you.
Thank you so much.